jump? A little bit? It's a little scary by yourself, isn't it? You'll get the hang of it. Can you do a little jump?
You,
X, yes, makes sound. Oh, you want Piglet to jump? Oh, okay. Well, maybe you need to get up there with Piglet. There you go. Jump from your knees. Can you get on your knees and squat and jump? Yeah. Jump, jump. That all important O. Can you jump sitting down? Oh, you gotta jump with the clock picture. You'll get the hang of it. You definitely will.